Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we use data link or how can we link a data. So let's suppose we want to insert an Excel sheet or any type of data in this Autocad. So to do it, just click on insert, and here in this data link, which is in the linking and extraction group, just click on that, and this box appears where you have to select the file. So I'll select this, create a new Excel data link. Let's rename it and then click on OK. Again, click here, and this box appears where you have to browse the file. I'll select the file and then click on OK. And then you have to specify the path. I'll select it at full path, and then you can select the sheet number of sheets, or you can do the cell ranging from here. I'll keep it as link entire sheet and then click on OK. Again, I will click OK, and now you have to click on this home button, and here you have the tables. Just click on this table, or you can use the shortcut command TB, and now your insert option will be from data link. When you click on that, then your data, that is my data, is here, and you don't have to do anything. Just click on OK. Just after clicking OK, you have to specify the point where you want to apply it. Just after clicking, it will be applied, and as you can see, your data is now applied, guys. So this way you can link a data in AutoCAD. You have the shortcut also, guys. Your shortcut is data link. Just press DATALINK and then enter, and you can do the same things from here only. So this way, guys, you can link a data in AutoCAD. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.